In the fast-moving world of news, it's easy to miss the meaning between the lines. That's where we come in. Each episode, we take real headlines from Newsline Philippines and let AI break them down. Not just the what, but the why it matters.
Welcome to Newsline Philippines, your daily dose of the most important stories shaping our nation. Today we're diving into a significant shift, a big change really, in the political landscape of Province 11.
A change at the top, indeed. The replacement of Rosete with Arguelles is generating quite a buzz. It's all anyone's talking about.
Absolutely. So what are your initial thoughts on this sudden shift in power? It's pretty dramatic, huh?
It's certainly unexpected. Yeah, the timing is curious, and the reasons behind it, well, they remain somewhat unclear. Very mysterious.
Exactly. The lack of official explanation is fueling speculation, tons of it, across social media. It's a wildfire.
And that speculation is only likely to intensify until a clear statement is released. People are hungry for answers.
Let's delve into the specifics. What do we know about Rosete's departure? Anything concrete?
Reports suggest it was a resignation, although the circumstances surrounding it are shrouded in mystery. It's all very hush-hush.
Right, and Arguelles' ascension, what's their background? Who is this person?
Arguelles is a relatively new figure in provincial politics, but they've quickly gained prominence. Their appointment suggests a significant change in direction for Province 11. A big one.
A change in direction, you say? Could you elaborate on that? What kind of change?
It's too early to say definitively, but it hints at a potential shift in policy or priorities for the province. We'll have to wait and see.
So we're looking at a potential power struggle or a strategic realignment or something else entirely?
It could be either, or even a combination of both. The coming weeks will be crucial in clarifying the situation. It's going to be interesting.
The lack of transparency is certainly causing a stir. What's the public reaction been like? Any strong feelings?
Mixed, to say the least. Some are expressing concern, others are cautiously optimistic. Many are simply confused. Completely understandable.
Confusion is understandable given the lack of information. Is there any indication of what might come next? Any clues?
Not concretely, no, but the appointment of Arguelles suggests a focus on potentially different areas of development for the province. A new focus, perhaps.
What are some of the potential impacts of this change, big picture stuff?
Economically, it could mean shifts in investment priorities or infrastructure projects. Socially, it might influence community programs and initiatives. A lot of moving parts.
So a ripple effect across various sectors. It sounds pretty widespread.
Precisely. The full extent of the impact will only become clear over time. It's a long game.
Let's summarize the key takeaways. Rosete is out, Arguelles is in. The reasons remain unclear. Pretty simple, right?
Public reaction is mixed, and the potential impacts are far-reaching. A lot to unpack.
And the lack of official communication is fueling speculation. Lots and lots of speculation. This is a developing story, and we'll continue to provide updates as they become available. Stay tuned.
It's a situation that warrants close monitoring. Definitely keep an eye on this.
That was a great discussion. Thank you. Appreciate your insights.